Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Literature and Random Videos channel by नेहा सुल्ताना। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे इंडियन राइटिंग इन इंग्लिश। ये जो सब्जेक्ट है सेकेंड सेम का, इसमें है ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या हैं बोले तो टू एक्सपोज द स्टूडेंट्स टू द राइटिंग्स एंड इट्स प्रोग्रेस नोन एज इंडियन लिटरेरी राइटिंग्स इन इंग्लिश टू मेक स्टूडेंट्स अवेयर ऑफ Indianness in Indian literature in English and its survey। बैकग्राउंड स्टडी है, ट्रेंड्स और मूवमेंट है। ये ट्रेंड्स और मूवमेंट के भी सिंगल वीडियो अपलोड करूँगी मैं। राइटर्स के भी नोट्स हैं और ये वर्क्स हैं, वर्क्स की भी वीडियोस आएंगी। और ये टेक्स्ट प्रिस्क्राइब्ड है, इसमें से एनी 5 लिखना है हम लोगों को, लेकिन 4 इज़ इनफ फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन। और एक जो है आंसर हमारे वर्क्स, ट्रेंड्स और मूवमेंट और राइटर से आएगा। तो फर्स्ट है रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का फ्रॉम द गार्डनर 8, और जो है फ्रॉम द फुजिटिव 9, ये पोइट्री है। मीना अलेक्जेंडर की हाउस ऑफ थाउजेंड डोर्स, और क्या है फ्रॉम द ट्रैवलर्स। और गिरीश कार्नाड का हयावदना है, ये एक ड्रामा है। और एच.टी. पोते, ये हमारे डिपार्टमेंट, कन्नड़ा डिपार्टमेंट के सर हैं। इनके 2 पोएम्स प्रिस्क्राइब्ड हैं हम लोगों को। लेदर चप्पल फेमिनाइन, ये प्रोज है। और नीरज सी चौधरी का द ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ एन अननोन इंडियन, ये क्या है बोले तो ये एक प्रोज है। अरुंधति रॉय का द गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग्स, ये एक नॉवल है। एंड देन लास्ट इज़ कमला मार्कंडेय का द नेक्टार इन अ सीफ, ये एक नॉवल है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं हयावदना से। स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको लास्ट ईयर के क्वेश्चन पेपर्स है मेरे पास अवेलेबल, वो भी देख लीजिए। MA सेकेंड सेमेस्टर डिग्री एग्जामिनेशन इंडियन राइटिंग इन इंग्लिश। हयावदना बाय गिरीश कार्नाड। इंट्रोडक्शन में है, हयावदना इज़ ए रिनोन्ड प्ले written by the acclaimed Indian playwright Girish Karnad. This play, first performed in 1971, is a powerful exploration of themes related to identity, human desires, and the complexities of relationships set in a mythical world. Hayavadana weaves a captivating narrative that revolves around a complex love triangle involving 2 friends and a woman. The story revolves around a complex love triangle involving 2 friends, Kapila and Devadatta, and a woman named Padmini. The play opens with a puja to Ganesha. The Bhagavata is requesting Ganesha to give his blessings for the play that he and his company are going to perform. Then he sets the scene in a place called Dharmapura and introduces the main characters. The first is Devadatta, the son of a Brahmin who outshines the other Pandits and poets of the kingdom. The second is Kapila, the son of the ironsmith who is skilled at physical feats of strength. The 2 are the closest of friends. As the Bhagavata, which means the main narrator of the play, sets up the story, there is a scream of terror off stage. An actor runs out stage screaming that he has seen a creature with a horse's head, a man's body, and the voice of human. The Bhagavata doesn't believe him, and even when the creature called Hayavadana enters, the Bhagavata thinks it is a mask and attempts to pull off Hayavadana's head. Upon realizing it's his real head, the Bhagavata listens as Hayavadana explains his origin. He is the son of a princess and a celestial being in horse form, and he is desperate to become a full man. The Bhagavata suggests he go to the temple of Kali, and she grants anything anyone asks for. Hayavadana sets out for the temple, hopeful that Kali will be able to change his head to a human head. And then recovering from the interruption, the Bhagavata returns to the play. He begins to sing, explaining that the two heroes fell in love with a girl and forget themselves. Devadatta asks Kapila to find the whereabouts of Padmini. He says he is ready to sacrifice his head and arms to get her. Kapila finds her and he too falls in love with her. Nonetheless, he tells her that Devadatta would like to marry her. She agrees and both of them marry. Devadatta, Padmini and Kapila go to Ujjain. On their way, Padmini compliments Kapila for his physique. Devadatta stops at a temple and remembers his promise that he would give up his arms and head to have Padmini. He does so, cuts his arms and beheads himself. Kapila finds him and beheads himself too. Padmini sees the two men and is about to kill herself just when goddess Kali presents herself. She tells Padmini that she would place the man's head back and heal them. Padmini agrees but is confused and swaps the heads and the bodies. They return home. Kapila's head claims that his body married Padmini and created the child which she bears. Devadatta's head objects and says that the head is in charge of the body. Padmini goes on to choose Devadatta's head. Devadatta goes to a fair to get dolls for his to be born child. At the fair, he happens to wrestle with a man and wins. He comes and tells Padmini that with Kapila's body he won the fight. Devadatta and Padmini have a son. Padmini is delighted to see Devadatta's body but thinks it is soon starting to look like his old body. The dolls reveal that Padmini is secretly dreaming of Kapila. She stays with Kapila for a few days. Devadatta looking for her. He sees Kapila with her. Both men start fighting. Sati she orders Bhagavata to take her son on the hunters as Kapila's son, and then after 5 years take him to Devadatta's father as Devadatta's son, and then Hayavadana comes on the stage where Padmini's son is also presented. Bhagavata reveals that the boy neither speaks nor laughs. Looking at Hayavadana and listening to his story, the boy laughs and begins to singing with Hayavadana, who starts crying. The boy asks him to keep laughing. Hayavadana starts laughing, which soon starts sounding like a horse's cry. The play comes to an end as the characters celebrate Lord Ganesha as the play turns out to be a success. Conclusion is there. Conclusion. Therefore, Hayavadana is a study of man's search for perfection in every area of universal experience, whether of love, marriage, friendship, motherhood, or children. It is a trial to study the notion of identity in a folk story. It is a study of how the desire of a female ruined her and the ones around her by planting the seed of conflict, and this is the focus of the research problem. So here Hayavadana comes to an end. If you guys understand this video, please like the video, subscribe to your friends, subscribe it and share it with your friends. Okay, see you in the next video.